When we first lost the shed, I was devastated, particularly because I'd spent so much time and effort over the years put into the Fire Brigade and the establishment of the Rural Fire Service here at Jenolan. So a lot of the history that goes back many years was destroyed in the fire, unfortunately. I've been in the Rural Fire Service since the mid-60s. I joined Blacksland Brigade originally on the mountains, and then I came here to work and to live at Jenolan Caves, and I started this brigade in 1979. Initially, of course, we had a very small shed to start with that we were given to start the brigade and gather the equipment. And in those days, of course, it was majority of the equipment was scrounged. It wasn't like it is these days, funded by the government to the extent that it is now. So we had to work for most things that we had, and the original station we built ourselves, weekends, night time, with the carpenter here, and scrounged the timber and scrounged all the bits and pieces to build the extension on the shed so we could house our first fire tanker, which was a 1943 World War II Blitz. This station is just absolutely wonderful. It really is. The standard now of the build and the standard equipment in the station that's supplied is something we've been looking forward to for years. The RFS have really done a very good job of designing a standard station now with all the room and the mod cons, which we never ever had before. Used a small shed before as a training room, so now the facilities are really next to none. The station I would have loved to have had 20 years ago, but of course we can only do with what we've got and what we can do, and of course in those days it was a different story than what it is today. The Rural Fire Service is a very efficient organisation these days. For the replacement of items that we had in the shed, it's important that we try and, if we can, stick to Australian made. That's me, that's another fire somewhere, yeah.